How good is Artspace AI at generating AI art, or in this case, regenerating iconic art from the past?
So as you can see, I'm on the canvas here and running some various generations. Now, as you look at Artspace, you see one of the big advantages pretty clearly is the fact that you can see all the images side by side. You can move them around, you can zoom in on them, you can do edits, in painting, out painting. There's so many different things you can do, but I just really like the fact that you can slightly tweak your prompt, whether you're taking out a word or adding a word or changing something from singular to plural. Basically, if you make the slightest little change in the prompt, you'll get a slightly different result pretty much every time. The only time I typically see the same result happening is if you just try to run without adding or modifying or taking away something on the prompt. But again, it can be very simple. Or you can completely wipe out, if you have a 3-sentence prompt, you could wipe out one of the sentences and you'll get something a little bit different. Or you can add more detail. And then the different models obviously are going to have different results as well, but you can see how these all come out pretty good. Sometimes it does, it's AI, so sometimes it goes a bit off the rails, but a lot of times it's really close to the original, as you can see here on the screen. Well, some of them get a little bit crazy, but again, it's a lot of trial and error, and this canvas gives you some huge advantages. Typically, as you're seeing me do, I like to move to a new row when I'm starting a new prompt for something different. Yeah, and there you go. So here's another prompt that I've run, an iconic portrayal of a stern farmer and his daughter, often interpreted as a reflection of rural American life. Now this one does happen to come out with a couple different variations here, which is kind of interesting. I'll just go ahead and show you these. Yeah, I mean, it's just a really enjoyable experience using Artspace to generate images. Of course, they're not all going to come out perfect. In another video, I can show you the in-painting and out-painting where you can make corrections, which I've had some people asking about being able to edit images. You can definitely upload images into the system and add things in, take them out, and use the in-painting and out-painting, and it's sometimes hit or miss. It's been, it works good for a while, and then sometimes there's some programming changes or something that happens with the different models, but lately I've been using it, works good. There's also a face swap feature, and I'll do my best to shoot a video on that. So yeah, you can see the quality of these images comes out really good, and when you tweak the prompts, you can really start to do some cool things. So that is Artspace creating iconic art. You can go ahead and use your imagination, use these for ads, use them for whatever you want to go ahead and use them for. There's quite a bit. So I really like how the Mona Lisa came out here, and I've used this in a few ads that I've made, as well as some social media posts, just general posts, and then obviously the Van Gogh recreation of a starry night comes out really well. And then obviously you can see the way you can add some text over the top. Kind of blends it all in. So yeah, let your imagination run wild. If you like these kinds of videos, let me know by leaving me a comment or forwarding and sharing the videos so I can know what to keep them coming. And if there's any specific features you want to see, drop that as well, and I'll do my best. For now, I'm signing off. It's Jim, and hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.